Hey, I'm Logan Dodds, qualified plumber and Buteline ambassador. Today we're talking about Pexline, a new plumbing system by the Buteline Group.
Recent market trends have revealed an opportunity for Buteline to offer a new PEX system called Pexline. The system range is available in 16, 20 and 25mm. Pexline fittings are black, moulded from a new high-performance polymer with the same innovative one-piece design as Buteline fittings. They feature the new patented sure-fit tail for a secure joint every time. There is also a range of quality brass fittings to use as well.
Installation is quick and simple, just like the Buteline system.
Simply cut, insert, clamp, complete. There are transition fittings for connecting the Buteline PB system into the PN20 PEX systems. We believe the Pro Clamp tools are the easiest to use of their kind. Pexline pipe is pressure rated at PN16, carbon black coloured, available in 5m lengths and 50m coils. Red and lilac pipes are available for hot water and recycled water installations.
So there you have it. For more information or to get tooled up, contact us today to find out more.